So how do you get more traffic to your MLM blog? Hi guys, this is Chef Katrina, and we are starting day 2 of training the mystery of getting traffic to your MLM blog. In yesterday's blog, we talked about the same topic, but we actually talked about the avatar aspect, the customer aspect of who are you writing to. And if you guys missed that blog post, I highly suggest that you head over there. That is the how to get traffic to your MLM blog day 1 training. The link is just above this video. I highly recommend that you watch this. So what we're talking about in today, day 2 of how to drive traffic to your MLM blog, is who is your audience. You've already gone over, but what are they looking for? So now that we've kind of figured out who you're writing to and who you're talking to, now you have to do some research. I know, the dreaded thing about research. Most people don't enjoy it, but I love researching things. I really get a kick out of kind of digging in and finding out how things work. So if you want to get and be successful with your MLM blog, you have to know this little bit of the secret. And it really does begin by you using what we call you're going to have to set up a Google AdWords account first and foremost. That's what this is. It's a Google AdWords account. Just put in Google AdWords. If you just put in Google, if you put in google.com/SK tools, that's S as in Sam, K as in kite, tools.com, it'll bring you to your keyword planner. It doesn't cost anything for you to set it up. It's going to ask for, a whole bunch of information, but you don't have to pay for anything to use this tool. This is actually a free tool, but you are going to have to set up your account if you've never set up a Google AdWords account before. But this is a really powerful resource tool that you're going to want to know, use, and fall in love with. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to keyword tools. You're going to actually go for search new keywords and ideas. This is what's going to pop up. So this is a keyword planner. You're going to plan your next search campaign here. What happens in here is that now you're going to put in what is your audience looking for? What is their pain? What is their frustration? Maybe it's how do I get more leads? And then it could be their company. You can do very specific. It could be so many things, but it can be more. So how do I get more leads? How do I build my MLM online? So what is their pain? What is their struggle? If you were to put yourself in their shoes and you were sitting at the computer, what is it that they're looking for? And the reason you want to do this one is because if you hit this little get ideas button down here, it is going to give you a group and it gives you first the group ads or group ideas, but you really want to go to keyword ideas. Okay. So what this is going to tell you is what is your prospect looking for? What is your customer? What is actually are they going online looking for in terms of searchable items, right? So how do I build my MLM online? As you can see, there's really nothing going on here. That's not uncommon because really what it could be is it could be different parts of this. The how do or how to could be something, maybe build my MLM online is really what the keyword planner is pulling up. And you'll notice that as you go down here, you'll actually see get more leads, how to get more leads, MLM companies. These are things that are actually being searched. And you can tell because they're telling you there's an average monthly search average that's going on here. So this will give you an idea of what is being searched, what your prospect or client or customer is coming online looking at and going, gee, I want more information about this. So if you're promoting a product, maybe it's a health and wellness product, maybe it's a vacation product, whatever it is, what are people coming online looking for? They have a problem, and if they're looking for something in Google, that's actually they're looking for the solution. So Keyword Planner is a really powerful tool that you can be using right now. There is some pros. There is some ways that you have to learn how to understand and utilize this and take this content. It can be utilized in multiple ways in terms of how are you using it. Are you using this to get ranked? Because if you're using this to get ranked, You want to go after certain keywords. You want to make sure your competition is looking a certain way. Your monthly average is being searched a certain way. There is some secrets to this that we talk about inside of blogging ingredients that you don't normally get. I'm just trying to give you guys an overview of really what is one of the pieces that a lot of people are missing when they build their MLM blog, is that they don't know where the traffic's coming from. There's tons of traffic out there, guys. You just have to know what your prospect, which we talked about in the last one, know what their pain is, search it so that you can write more posts that are geared towards what people are looking for online. If you have no idea what your prospect is looking for, you will get zero traffic to your site. It is an absolute fact on that one. So utilize the keyword planner. Get familiar with this. Every time you write a blog post, you should be referencing in here, looking up this information, finding out what your audience is looking for, and that way you can create more traffic to your blog. I hope this was valuable and you guys got some great information from this. If you did, by all means, share this blog post, share this video, help other MLM bloggers out there, MLM business builders, learn these techniques to building their business online, because the more people we help, the more success we help. And guys, network marketing is a phenomenal business to be in. And the more people that know that, and the more people that understand this and get this type of training, the more success we're going to have in this industry. And that is just a bonus for everybody that's on here with me today. So thanks guys again for joining me. If you want more information and you're not on my blog, head over to www.thechefkatrina.com, and I look forward to hearing your comments on today's post. Thanks guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.